Hello friends, get ready for a dictation suitable for upcoming skill test exams, DDA and SSB, inauguration of Chaura Chauri centenary celebrations at Gorakhpur. Get ready, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. I bow down the Gorakhnath, the land of incarnation of Lord Shiva. This district is progressing well due to the blessings of Devar Baba. Today, I welcome and bow before the great people of Chaura Chauri, the land of Devar Baba. श्रीमती आनंदीबेन पटेल जी, गवर्नर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, ग्लोरियस एंड पॉपुलर चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ जी, मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ यूपी गवर्नमेंट, एमपीज, एमएलए एंड माय ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स present in the program. I bow down and pay respectful homage to those who sacrificed for the country on the sacred land of Chaura Chauri and gave a new direction to the freedom struggle of the country. The program is also being attended by the kin of martyrs and freedom fighters in different districts. The families of many freedom fighters are also connected with online today. I greet and respect all of you also. Friends, what happened in Chaura Chauri 100 years ago was not just an accident of erosion or torching a police station. The message of Chauri Chaura was very huge and encompassing. For many reasons, whenever it came to Chauri Chaura, it was seen in the context of a minor erosion. But the circumstances and reasons under which the erosion took place are equally important. The police station was not only set on fire, the fire had been raging in the hearts of the people. Every effort is commendable for the status that is being given to the historic struggle of Chauri Chaura in the history of the country today. I congratulate Yogi ji and his entire team for this. A postage stamp has also been issued today on the ceremony of Chauri Chaura. The programs will be held throughout the year beginning today. In the meantime, the sacrifices of brave freedom fighters of every village, every religion, along with Chauri Chaura, will also be remembered. When the country is heralding the 75th year of its independence, this year such an event makes it even more relevant. Friends, Chauri Chaura was the spontaneous struggle of the common man of the country. Unfortunately, martyrs of Chauri Chaura were not discussed in detail. The martyrs and revolutionaries of this struggle may not have been given a prominent place in the pages of history, but their blood for freedom has definitely been in the country's soil, which always inspires us. They belonged to different villages, different ages, different social backgrounds, but together they were the brave children of Mother Bharti. There may be fewer instances in the freedom movement when 1917 fighters were hanged for one incident. The British Empire was bent on hanging hundreds of freedom fighters, but about 150 people were saved from hanging due to the efforts of Baba Raghav Das and Mahamana Malvi ji. Therefore, today is also the day to pay homage and remember Baba Raghav Das and Mahamana Madan Mohan Malvi ji. Friends, I am happy that our students and youth are also being connected to this entire campaign through competitions. Our youth will know many unspoken aspects of history when they will study it. The Ministry of Education of the Government of India has also invited young writers to write books on freedom fighters, events and papers on completion of 75 years of independence. There are so many brave fighters of the Chauri Chaura incident whose lives you can highlight before the country. Efforts have been made to connect these programs of the centenary of Chauri Chaura with local art, culture, and self reliance. These efforts will also be our tribute to our freedom fighters. I also appreciate Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji and the UP government for this event. Friends, the collective strength that unfettered the shackles of slavery will also make India the world's greatest power. This power of collectivity is the basis of the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. We are making the country self reliant for 130 crore countrymen and also for the entire global family. Imagine during this corona period when India sent necessary medicines to help citizens of different countries of the world, when India sent thousands of citizens from many countries to their country safely, and when India itself is making corona vaccines today and is also vaccinating at a fast pace compared to developed countries of the world, when India is providing vaccines to all over the world, keeping in view the protection of human life, the souls of our freedom fighters must be feeling very proud. Friends, unprecedented efforts are also needed to make this campaign a success. A glimpse of these concerted